Welcome to Aptitude Destination. Please pause the video and read the question completely. A wall clock moves 10 minutes fast every 24 hours. So for 24 hours, we will convert 24 hours into minutes. That will be 24 into 60, which is 1440 minutes. The clock was set right to show the correct time at 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. on a Monday. When the clock shows 6 p.m. on Wednesday, what was the correct time? So let's say Tuesday 8 a.m., Wednesday 8 a.m. So if I have to find out the time gap between these, it will be 8 a.m. to Tuesday 8 a.m. would be 24 hours, plus this will be 24 hours, plus this 8 to 6 p.m. would be 10 hours. So if I have to write these all down in minutes, this will be 1440 plus into 60 will be 600. So adding all these up, we will get 3,480 minutes. So this is the number of minutes the wrong clock has moved. So let's make a table for correct clock and wrong one. All right, so the correct clock, when it moves for 24 hours, the wrong clock is moving 24 hours plus 10 minutes extra. So we know that 24 hours is 1440 minutes. So when the correct clock is going for 1440 minutes, wrong clock is going for 1440 plus 10, that is 1450. So we already know the ratio here. Now the correct clock, we know it has moved for X minutes, but the wrong clock has moved for 3,480 minutes. So we are supposed to find X. So we already know these ratio. We just have to compare these both ratio with these and we will get the value for X. So correct timing 1440 divided by the wrong one 1450 equals X by 3,480. So while the wrong one has moved for 3,480 minutes, the correct one would have moved for X minutes. So solving for these, we can solve for 12. We can solve for phi table here, that is 29, and this will be 6 and 45, 30. So 29 into 24 will give me 696. So x equals 144 into 24. That will be 3456. So if we convert this into hours, we'll be easily getting the time. So basically 3456 divided by 24 will be, we don't need to convert this into hours, sorry. We just need to find out the difference between these minutes because the correct clock has moved for 3456 minutes while the wrong clock has moved for 3480. So the difference between these would be for 24. So basically 24 minutes ahead. The wrong clock is 24 minutes ahead, so the right clock is behind by 24 minutes. 6 p.m. minus 24 minutes would be 5:36. Therefore, option A is the right answer.